Without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na yenam sonso ene wa already yankopon empire me ready pie kwan. This one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa me, never be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro, already sure.
You met the Numekwa Asaya Fin Eye, a Dusa Herbal Center.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamuna, the friend of the CS Donkor, most of Pentecost, Ukada and Yumre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okuma TV, the Radia Saman Kwa, and Yamote, and it has soon in Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cold near the Shin Cran said. Without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na yenam sonso ene wa already yankopon empire me ready pie kwan. This one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa me, never be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro, already sure.
You met the Numekwa Asaya Fin Eye, a Dusa Herbal Center.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamuna, the friend of the CS Donkor, most of Pentecost, Ukada and Yumre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okuma TV, the Radia Saman Kwa, and Yamote, and it has soon in Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cold near the Shin Cran said. Without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na yenam sonso ene wa already yankopon empire me ready pie kwan. This one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa me, never be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro, already sure.
You met the Numekwa Asaya Fin Eye, a Dusa Herbal Center.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamuna, the friend of the CS Donkor, most of Pentecost, Ukada and Yumre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okuma TV, the Radia Saman Kwa, and Yamote, and it has soon in Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cold near the Shin Cran said. Without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na yenam sonso ene wa already yankopon empire me ready pie kwan. This one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night. The Koswa me, never be fire so, or do a gen and Quanjabro, already sure.
You met the Numekwa Asaya Fin Eye, a Dusa Herbal Center.
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamuna.
La I'm surprising. Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. E ho dwa na nemi godi bra wo. Who say tem bia complain wo sisi. Any koko ne. E pese ejo to dem. Enu ho dwa kese pa na nemi godi ye no. Na woni eyema oba ne bem. Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. Eye koko. Any sisi yare dro kese pa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any edusa herbal
Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. Emma mejina brane. Na eye meyi.
Hey, ne dra wasesa ni na ba oye.
Sweetheart, me come ni ya kwan do.
Wa dance here. Aye juma kaka.
A living testimony. Kona kwaje odi e.
Edusa pray. Obie timinumbi. Ajisa apemfo. Kona woman kwadano for. Any de onye mfie dumi.
FDA ahwehwe saa adwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamunina, the friend of the CS Donkor, most of the Pentecost, Ukada and Yumre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okumawood TV. The Radia Saman Kwa, and Yamote, and it has soon in Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cowroom near the Shin Cran said, without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Now, in Amazon, and what already Yankopon Empire, my radio be quiet. This one will help you down to be the numerous shipment to us all night. Koswashemi never be fire so or do again in Quanjabro already sure.
You met the Numekwa Asaya Fin Eye, Edusa Herbal Center.
And I'm surprising. Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. E ho dwa na nemi godi bra wo. Who say tem bia complain wo sisi. Any koko ne. E pese ejo to dem. Enu ho dwa kese pa na nemi godi ye no. Na woni eyema oba ne bem. Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. Eye koko. Any sisi yare dro kese pa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any edusa herbal capsules.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. Emma mejina brane. Na eye meyi.
Hey, ne dra wasesa ni na ba oye.
Sweetheart, me come ni ya kwan do.
Wa dance here. Aye juma kaka.
A living testimony. Kona kwaje odi e.
Edusa pray. Obie timinumbi. Ajisa apemfo. Kona woman kwadano for. Any de onye mfie dumi.
FDA ahwehwe saa adwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
The Lord, the Radin Chamamunina, the friend of the CS Donkor, most of the Pentecost, Ukada and Yumre, Nomi and Sakusino Nabia, Shemi Okumawood TV. The Radia Saman Kwa, and Yamote, and it has soon in Cranshum, ever broke. Maybe I could see any sort of to be a cowroom near the Shin Cran said, without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Now, in Amazon, and what already Yankopon Empire, my radio be quiet. This one will help you down to be the numerous shipment. Say, and near me be a P. Bible, Makunum, I, General Chese, 110, a dear back. I saw dear Bacono and a year funnel, sir, and your mamma Kumakunum, a P. L. car 110. Yet to us, and now a tossum. Last week in your Casafa, a dear Bacon, whom here. Now, and Sana, ye didn't net the end of a banner. Ye bought. Edusa heba for ye bomo edun hu dewru na ya kachire se bomodia na pebito ebere iguso ye sunsun fam de no nso na ye honam fam nso de Bible say ye nidua na ba na ye mfa na haban ensaya de e nyamesem ejina saa sem we su na edusa heba ejina so a wotete ha ma wode ye duro se de be ya usisi ne uhunamu akwa bia pensi bia wote woni padua mu no yabɔ mpa yagusu na eye adwuma nso obi onum bibia nso gitum se mpan na edi akire ne nti eye adwuma omo wo Swami magazine na Swami magazine no ekura a friend Maku gold filling station na on inside urua gold filling station no inside na obo ya twere edusa heba kese pa ewo shop nanim na number obetimi afre upebi etu akoton na upebi nso anase upebi nso anomo a se de edi ka kan wasem na 0500 110 115 0500 110 155 the toss bi we 0557 0557 009 824 it says subio 0557 009 824 we ni numbers ya o pese ofre dusa heba doctor ubenya no na ye ko heaven ade ba ko yen gisem a maduro yi ye ka ho asem a wo so wonya bi ni se nyame ye sunsun fam de na ya ye hunam fam de na no Yesu Bible say onifre ni ba ko bi oti fam de te no de ye nani ana o ka tan se onko ohuru nani so eti edu brebi a ye hunhun fam de na ye hunam fam de Bible say heaven krona bonte ba bi enkwadua bi so na sa nkwadua nti yade eni ho eti sa ne ma wonyina ne nyankopɔ de ama nti kopɛ edusa heba ekira kwai na awurade be fa sonso na ebra wo sha sunsun fam de ade no na honam fam de nso waye e de ahye de no munyam edusa heba awurade nhyiram no nkoso entrem ahye bra mu boam se dwumadie be koso na nyankopɔn nso asem anya kwai akɔ nipa bebre nkyɛ ebi afaso anya nkwaje ne bi nso afaso anya wogye ene fa hodie yetie nyamsem enne nyamsem no de tosum yenu fa tosum yenu a makata say there is always one thing in life brebi adia ba ko bi ho e wo se nipa edi akire de di kan a ye ka ho asem last week ne adia ba ko ehie nipa da sani wo na barbom na enne de no sa last week de ne ba ko a mienu a Yesu kan mu ba ko ne ye ka ho asem benne ye ka de Paul ka ho asem say one thing I do adia ba ko na me ye praise God adia ba ko ya bema eda Charles I can asem na my one thing I do in this corona virus era mu pandemic mu bre we are singing na ayesu bre we are singing na aye bisi basa na we are say hu adie ba ko bi ho no a ebre mu a wo se ye na no na Paul kan ya be pese ye chewu nyamsem tietie asem no wa ba empire ya na ye pese no bonti ye cha na ye gina so na ye bompae na awurade afa so de ogie abraw etu o kenkan Philippians chapter 3 verse 13 to 14. Na yentie sa asem no.
Enuanom. Me de mususu se nsa aka
Mensusu.
Enuanom. Me de mususu se nsa aka bibi. Nanso ade ba akopɛ na meyo. Me ma me refi de etwem. Na me tweme mu.
Oh my God.
Hallelujah.
Oh yes. Hallelujah. Na makonya osoro fra Kristo Yesu afremu numu enkunim abo. Onyankopon nam Yesu Kristo mu afreme no. What thing we must do? And what thing you should do, and what thing I also must do. Adia baku pe, and the prayer you almost say was here. There was here, your chamber night. The can say we must always forget about the past. Adia bia, ya etum. Adia bia esia etum. Our mistakes in the past. And from so be a wire man come. Bonnie be a wire. I'm gonna come. That sin must not be repeated. Shall Bonin and you say, we are bio. Obi can say you be worth 2021. And near maybe a wire yan and when you build that. Basati Kona and the Ugusu away. Nanona, Paul say your mama, dear said. Fenyam Samsua Catro said. Sadia we are a mistake. It's some. And this you must forget it. You must not repeat that same mistake. Because every 2019 and Yame, Emma Ufa Hoodie, every 2020 year, some mistake now we are born in our way, you know. What hand when you serve you? One thing you must do. Adia Bakupen also mistake be a we are 2019. We and Emra, we and General, Ebedu Sabri. I was say, what to sang your money now to the Tosubio is to be focused. What thing you must do is to be focused. Also, what do you see at the episode? Our brabum. Now, dear, was say, dear, this is what Jesus. There is nobody but Jesus. Hallelujah. Sister, so what when you see Jesus? Now, what they say. And you may tell what shady we are saying, you will never see a bishop. Now, you want to a bishop, you'll be disappointed. Yeah. Hallelujah. Amen. One thing I must do, one thing I always do. And he said, may you focus on Jesus and He alone. Onunkwa Bible said no make a word in who to nipasu. Now, what did the paya the basa? The Shirani will be a hallelujah. Didn't want to run this one. Now, Radian and did a sword. Blessed is he. Hey, who depends on the Lord. The Shirani will be a didn't want to run this one. Now, Radian the Bassa. And we have a bomb on his head. Sadia do also, yeah. I also do a this year, this one. Jesus and Kwa. Yes, some kwa power be no. Me kai sister be na semara who said, me catch him say somebody who is your friend today can tend to be your enemy tomorrow. Obia waya uyonko ne obetini adan ho abe o tamfo chena. That is how human beings are. Sane ni patie. Obetini ayi obi papa. Obetini ayi obi adoye. Obetini do ho abafode amenipa. Bedu brebia sa wodi won to sadi pansoa sa ono ana rehyen mo bedu brebi nipa na be otamfo ba yesu dia Bible says so ba tawre be fini ba ono urade de o mani refi da e bra ya da so ya de boyefo a bra ya da so ya mra no ana yesu ma yai e ya ka tro sa so obi a do woni be sini so a enye obi a nye wajapade enye obi a na mo me Jesus na sister na sem na reho say woni obi a wo bo no abrabam ene obi a na dwe so obebo no to a mountain who you know to Nipanaso. I say, and I'm saying will be over Boamenti, school no crime and uncle. Oswo ko Nasa Okwa. A can be a baby amefa. A fed true baby. O could do and Pempenso also with Timmy Conan. A quite be a beer. Also, call America. People need to be are you ready? I feel friendly pana. The pana captain say, sister, may you sorry pa. And what be a met me a bono, my bomb home with their boy. But baby, I better say, see a idiot. They met me a yarn, my amon. Sister, need bunko to take go from. I feel, say, you many years, sister, not do one. Obeka na sem chire ne wura ka bia minim ba bia sister no wo sesia adia ba ku na wo so ye sabre ani se wo fo woni si obi aso wo fo won to obi aso dem o do ho ba to Jesus. Hallelujah. He is the author and the finisher of our faith. Only gidia mu dikanfo ani ne wiefo only Jesus. Hallelujah. Ona also do ho to no so na mum nya nipa ha me say so who will be to a near sinner so no what na Bible so the boy be at Zion. Sabone be yes in Titia Bo and many papi. Now 1 hour 3 Sabuano. According to Romans chapter 9 verse 33. O woman in Muda. And we have a woman, yes, sir. The real see the real see cosy. Only Papa could pa and also do any sinner. Only Jesus. They come for you so I'm away. They are too so built. I was here and say, we must press on. Katiunia said, press on. Chumu. Sister, brother, me person me can't tell say life is not easy. And life is unpredictable. Abrabaya ban, wuntimin kase chena say the besi. Adia chia say the beye. Bible so chena ni way near the ho. Whoever knew when who died. Say atorentema to yasi nyine. The ekos wo yasi. Wana je daka bi shemu. When the susu da. Say asem we betimi asi. Even first second world war no enye yasi nyina na kon ye. Ba sa wo ye ekos ya. Aye coronavirus pandemic taking dominion over all the world. Yasi nyina fa yasi. Life is unpredictable. Say be told we are Christian, you can be taken by any unexpected event. You may be one more years on Kabishamness. But one hour did it. 1 hour do what 2 years to so 1 year so you need a swamp. 1 year to so many students. Bible say, hey, or people to yanchai, no people to anyfa, or maybe kaye. You knew one quantity, I never say. You will not bonnet for Katia. Psalm 16 verse 8 say, Media radius similis will die. Relax me your focus. Media radius similis will die. No ready woman if I may him would die. Sister, press on. It is not easy, but press on. Pomodiana chumu ebia enchebia no dubutai no. Sister, brother, enye ize abrabone enye ize. Edu babia de obedie na hode. Edu babia etimi tofu fie. Na undi ska odi be handai. Edu babia ne be soriti odos. Na so na abrabono kwa na ekoso. Ba be katre o se pomodia na chumu. Paul say adia ba ko me ya ne se me tsimi mo se me pebutan ho odu kapa sata ya ntai pressure kabo sata press on, my God. so about walk on walk. I want in easy. A bravo friend about what you know. Now, Captain say, you know, brother, you know, and Yana Masum, and Mawabamu, and Baba, Praso towards the goal. And Chebi Abia and Ted, no one do what I know. You told you are Paul President and said, at the Abako was the Yan said, Yabepim, Yabepim. The chapter is to finish the rush. One thing I do is to finish the rush. Hey, America yet to Abraham can also read. At the Abia was just 1 year. Why do you? The Bible says, Obey time, dear. Now, should you obey the Yellow Court? Yellow. I don't know better than one. Paul say, Occupy Macu. American Betu. Gideon Sumakura. Adiaba Kupanaka. Adiaba Kupanaka. The Akari said, Mekonma Kodim Kunima Abu Abutreno. Etim Kunima Botreno. Both to Bricano. We or Trinimu. We na the Kayan said, or betting Kunima Botre sister. Akaka Krabi. No one to Shiamano. Akaka Krabi. No money another yet. Akaka Krabi. Now how not to work? I can't grab it now. Here, I will send that out. Britia be not on some of that Adam Eve. Nanny Munyaman Yankupon the Mount, not ball. Niama be Brenecos was assist. And now Dabbe Brenecos will yes. Yet Jippin Musica, you pooping. Yet the Yama Bonnie concoction, she may be no. No Yama Basaba. And I'm Jidia went to young Clement. Yes, or no, and I was why you did a swallow who talks now. Shadow. As all says, Papa, we are. When we are said that was still be our kiss out one. My name would that sister. We can't tell us. So, Papa didn't want to moon where we are. A rather somebody when I'm 240. So, couldn't be here. Or best summer in town. You pray to be a bravo, said, and then you bring Pomodiana to him. At the Abacupana also, yes, a bravo, what did you announce? Pomodi to Mukaka, Pomodi, my bones. I said, dear Bia, a rather didn't couldn't be ever. When you meet Karabasha, a brave vampire, a rather better. And tell man, Yabia woman. May the Lord lift you above your circumstance. Jesus. Your papa is here. Minim and Yama. Wunamuni diakoso. For running by your son. Baby, I will be a running punjab. Of our situation be a woman. In the name of Jesus. Come on, be on another person. Power, yes, to them. But whatever you are, may the Lord lift you above every circumstance. May the Lord lift you above every situation. In the name of Jesus. Rabakataya. Rababababako. Yadalakalosai. Rabibasataya. Rababababaka. Ribrataya. Rabababababasai. Rabababababasata. The God will lift you above every situation. The God will lift you above every circumstance. That the Lord will
My God who began it, He will accomplish it. My God who began it, He will accomplish it. God will bring your destiny to a successful we will not stumble and fall in the middle of the road. You should just top of that. Our economy, economy also. We are sitting. And running to Abraham, and running to Abraham. I will be honest, and running for Abraham. And now you know I am sitting. And running to Abraham. And the Lord God, break your destiny, break your life into a successful man. May the Lord touch your family. May the Lord touch your family. May the Lord touch your body. In the name of Jesus. May the Lord touch your destiny. And Jebia, I'm welcome. Number 0200603 3002 says 0200603 602. And at the toss of the same number 0200603 but your mom from a number is here. My number them that's so still from here. Friend number idea to this is here 0200603 for some number we see here. What should be here? For some number we 0200603 602. Oh, for some number now, must have a cancer still and then one of mine. Your person will be out of Barbara. Or what's a say? Abrabana Obero who says it's as what I said, no make coronavirus who cross out the count with it. And as a same party, the Biagins, your person is out for the vampire. Now, me tell Radia said, you started Comerwood programming. A radio fashion Eddie Kunim last week, your poor program now. And we also try so when you went to your mom, Romney Pandos, or free wa. Your plan when you're afraid. Was it about sitting one? Was all compared to my baby, I'm telling cat, my first such all the same mom. I'm telling cat. You was so sound, said about no. No, senior man also will be on my head. What yet, so I will be here. But still, I'm telling Banaka. Upon your bomb pioneer, your program Wednesday, Saturday, and upon your friend. Then yet, hello, Pachodini baby Alcasafi. Yes, Pachodini baby Alcasafi. Ajo Yankasa. Ajo Kasa friend. Yankasa. Pato, I didn't know pass your home pie. I didn't know pass your home pie. Radia, ya dear, this city swap. Or ya bought for papa. Now, so be our woman in the Nuno. Yes, demo. A radical is sent cover to my of one is sent cover to my of one Kausika Shabras is up. Also, sound Shabre. Oh, yes, demo. Amen. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Didn't baby I'll cast a friend of us your home pie.
That's your friend Jerry.
Okay, as a friend.
But I said you have 10 months.
Achim. Young Casa, I didn't know pass your home pie. Hello.
The mini of them.
Oh, pardon. A radia or diatum, and many panel. You are saying a check on money. No money who need to put in a country. A radima to membrauso. You radipus or the Oyano. We are Sudemo. On Famus Answer. We are Shudemo. Amen. Hello.
Hello.
But you didn't baby a casa friend the opposite of home pie.
Pacho me casa Dinde diwa. Asa tuma gogo.
I am Casaden opposite of home pie.
Chai.
I didn't know pass your home pie.
Kai me kuma. I want you. If I more kai me kuma, I want you to be no.
A raduna who ni pamabo. Bible so church and confoku na come the one no ya mobo. Bompa we yes so dem sha. Umobro hu be do afraso. I want chire ya we here bia wom. Yes so dem. A radifan is sent council. A radimia kwantu in the name of Jesus. Onania brabonani. Omani shrama we yes dem. Amen. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we didn't baby a casa friend the opposite of one pie.
What this is Papa? A friend Monday.
Alice, I didn't pass your home pie.
What's your meal?
Where you from?
What's your meal? Free me, young.
Fancy to see one pie. Around your bump pie, we yes to them. You were so radino. Around the Odon Sakano. Baby, our friend will be a yes to for Sakano. I understand all the associates. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Hello.
Hello.
Udini baby I'll cast a friend the opposite of home pie.
Casa Dodoa.
Dodoa. Yeah. Yeah, then I'll pass your home pie anyway.
Me pacho. The bar or swing. Or soon die basa.
Awurade ye pagya ne baiba wanim. Bible say ye nsura na dwubumbo. Ani ba me tuna mawia. Da ye bone bi a oso. Tumi bi yi ne ho adi. Ye Yesu ba break it in life. In the name of Jesus. Awurade ma ogie ne fa wo de nya ne dia wo Yesu de mu. Amen. Hello.
Hello.
Udini ba bia okasa friend de opase bo hom pae.
Ba cha ya friend ma bi ko me kasa ya shamba.
Asama.
Bata.
Eden na pass your bone pay anyway.
Mi pa ke ya se mi ya yi ma won kola mi mo mi na ate ma za wo.
Awurade wo nana no ya besetie mu. Ewo na hu hehiem. A Bible say wo tie no. Na wo ma ni nya ni munyam tani nua no nyina. Enanwumre wo Yesu demo. Ya besi Nyankopon ya otie no no. Ontie. On pega mfiri wo hehiem. Ani wa ho kyerem na won hyira ewo Yesu demo. Amen.
Amen.
God bless you. Hello. Udini baby akasa free ni de opese bo hompai.
Promise and fail wo ma brabo mu pa na men kan kwasa mo.
Ya pesa odu adwen no krasi Yesu so an obeboa. Awurade ye pagya wa fran ba wanim. Obi a ode no ho to so no. Awurade o manani mu wiase da. Ade bia ye promise and fail. Yesu ma je chama nyumre in the name of Jesus. Awurade nka ho no ntenani mu nkyerɛ wo Yesu demo. Amen.
Amen.
Radin ka opa dia iro ho kwa soro wate. Hello. Hello, udini baby o kasa free pacho low volume ni kakramai.
Volume na yelo.
Udini baby o kasa free ni de opese bo ho mpa ma.
Me kasa fi achimoda.
Pacho yen kasa.
Me de ima.
Ima pacho ede na opese bo ho mpa.
Mo ngro fa me.
O say
mo fa me.
Awurade ye pagya wako aba wanim. Won nsam na yaresa wo. Won nsam na wagie wo. Won nsam na fawodie wo. Anwumre awurade fa ne san kaw. Baby a wo bia yaresa nyoria. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Kame kase na ho ato. Hello. Pacho dini baby a wo kase free ni de opese bo ho pa anwumre ma.
Your friend Cecilia, your friend Cecilia, freshly wa.
Mami
Osafo ajimadansi nyina ma we de ma pre ansa na mi nyamo. Ene na wa hwe.
Mami Cecilia nyame isra oba so be dia dance
am. Na me se ni betu kwan okọ January no. Ma nte ne nka okọ belam sei. Ene na wa hwe mi hwe mu ti mi so am frɛ. Me no want me 3 days time. Iba ne frɛ na no pokitu tu.
Hallelujah.
Sunday ikura no for what I friend. Ni ka we di senya me ni mo nyam.
Praise God, praise God, praise God, praise God. Awurade me pagya wafuna aba wanim.
Amen.
Enye we nko a ade bia ka wona brabom. We ye nneoma nkase a opese wo ye wona brabom. Ni mfiti ase nie. Awurade de waka de ase oni bonyam ti. Wo hira entona braboso. Wo hira entona braboso. Sima. C'est ça le chabre. C'est ça la bra. Non tina ni mo kira mo e we Yesu ni mo. Amen.
Hello. It's your boy. No. Say mommy. Pero ko bomba. Ay basta. Imagine ni ay ba.
Yes.
Anwumre ye bompa we Yesu temu. E pagya wafuna hyebre ne na brabo. Ene na dwuma hye wonsa. Anwumre awurade fonsa kala dwuma. Fonsa kala sikasam. Fonsa kala brabo. We Yesu temu. Ushia wo ba no. Na brabo anye se de tie bio. Shira no we Yesu de nti. Amen. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Udini baby akasa friend yo pese bo hompa anwumre ma wo.
Acha me kase free. Fantastic.
Acha udini.
Acha pese bompa ya mam.
Awo de ho.
Pacho jumasam yo man na ya basanti pese mo bompa ya mam.
Awurade wo na ode kwa to baby e kwana. Israel fo no dupu kokko na no nya baby emfa. Wo hwe wachi atamfo ba bonkum ni nifa mepoka ho hia. Nanso kasa ne kwa bedam. Anwumre mi kasa to afuna abraboso. Ade bia ya basa na abrabom. Baby e kwai na no. Wo de kwa to ma ne yeye. Awurade me kwa me da abrabom. Wo sika sanu asetrem in the name of Jesus. Amen. Hello. Pacho dini baby o kasa free ni de opese anwumre bo ho mpai mo.
Pami da bata. Ata papa o tikino ka kote tikino na.
O kasa ni entini yo pacho peja one kakra.
Ka kote tikino Roma ba minti no papa ni.
Okay, and then opese bo ho mpai. Application. Quotation na me kasa. Philippians chapter 3 verse 13 to 14. Hello.
Hello, Pacho, good evening.
Good evening. Udini baby akasa friend yo pese bo hompa.
E Pacho me kase fita kwa.
Takwa for mutie program ipa o la diso.
Pacho fe na anti agi o.
Anti agi en kasa de na pese bo hompa.
E Pacho, me pese ngosra eye kese e woni mu. Yami Oma Mengo Spania Cassia.
Ananu Elijah catch Elisha say, what beside your head?
Name me hallelujah.
Nancy was of family Cosrodia and your Ubenya. And you remember the Musra. Elijah Musra. We asked him a mouse. You got the person who you of our Musramau. Oh, yes, you demo. Amen. Hello.
Hello, other people.
Yes, sir. But you didn't maybe I'll cast a friend in the opposite bone pine number.
Wife and
But you didn't pass a bone pine, me up down in the cacra.
my wife and that for how quiet.
Fa Obewana.
My patron.
Fansatona Comano Susia. Last 3 weeks, a busy say Radi and Century. A Radi me bomb pie. Oh, the over baby crona. Baby, we are saying. Oh, on chain. Baby, Wakua didn't settle. And Sunny Sister Enyan in Sabio. And you was soon, sir. Akumayadi Bia. We are so demo and two. We are so demo and caught. I am a Sanyanidia or Chianyanidia in the name of Jesus. Amen. Your poor friend, why? Hello.
Hello.
Mammy Udini Baby Alcasa Freddy, the opposite bone pine.
I got me buying a 7 years or 9 years. But I'm a mom fireman.
Also, Obana Day.
I was not 7 years or 9 years.
Onante Obel.
I
Fansa Gunus says here. Everybody, Ephesians chapter 1, verse 19. Was it any to me Cassia? A year Juma, I will one hour Gideon. To me Cassia, Yanni, yes, you throw and now and you break. Acts chapter 3. Bible she put an you honey. Or two of Bugwani and Fished and I know Antenna. Or boy, yes, to dinner. Or sorry, Nante. And you know, yes, you put in a good could to do a hold up. Yes, to dinner. A brat, yes. Another yes, you sorry, nothing.
Amen.
I had a sign the obedient one and said, will be DB. Oh, sir, TV. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho Dini baby, I'll cast a friend in the opposite bone pie.
Because you make us every hawk. Now, my person, may your snow over.
Fansa to your front. So last week, Oman on Pebando Sopa, you know, say, Kuma would be producing my baby. And then also Fansa to some baby make a testimony. Fansa to your front. Everybody, oh, now my friend Faba. You won't know man cover. Anano Sarah man cover. Elizabeth woman cover. We are so demo. So Timabia to your front. Already Fansaka. Yes, to me. And you're ready to myself. And my boy, your front in the name of Jesus. Juba. And we yes, Nemo. Amen. Kuma would about it. Last person ever. When I chat to we try ye pa catchery. The ferry at the aka, the personal number to that. Hello, Pacho Dini baby, I can say free. The opposite home pie anymore. Hello.
Good afternoon.
What do I overtaking pa? Hello, Miss Why overtaking the new chat on the any feeling no abudum. Udini baby, I can say free.
Me did how I make a free testimony.
How I didn't pass your home pie.
But you must send me this.
Already, when someone shall many pay the for Bible see and for your Juman showers. Now, you do between me Peter of Juma and then it's a Cassava showers. Already, my Muslim muscle. You are young and fish up and Muslim forward Juma in the name of Jesus. Amen. You are first alcohol. Eshire ye tiefo no na ohwe nyina kosoa na brebia 24/7 for afidie no to Kumawu TV obenya sempa ne mpabo pato obi a ofre na bia no ye de me number no so betuda e brebia obetimi afre testimony samanfo dia danse brebia tambia be frem dia mefa obi kwa timi frem ai 12 e befa yes I kusu kase edusa heba center and alpha saa dwumadie ho ɛka nti bɔ mmɔden sɛ wopɛ bi a bible so yɛ bia na ma no yɛfɛ no aba sɛ ɛwiadeɛ nti bɔ mmɔden abɔ nkayɛ sɛ adusa hɛba a wɔmo ayi no ɛwɔ takwa mbɛkuro gold filling station inside hɔ wowura inside hɔ abɔhu sɛ ɔmo shop no ɛwɔ hɔ wosisi yɛ wo ya wotena ase a wosɔre koraa na yɛ den ɛne yadeɛ bi a ɛfɛ nipa ho so nkoko fifiri adeɛ bi a ɛfɛ nipa ho a ɛyɛ bacteria disease biara no saa duro yi mpa yɛ yɛbɔgu soɔ no nti na mɛmɛ kamfo no yɛbɔ ho dawuro yɛn a ɛna yɛbɔ duro ho mpaeɛ da yɛso no baeɛ na yɛbɔ ho mpaeɛ awurade gu so a wɔde yɛ adwuma nti ɔmo hunu awurade nsɛ waduro no sonson na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo bɛpie dwumadie no nti number no yɛ 055 110 115 0500 110 115 and at 0557 00987 ofra opedi tu akoto na se opedi ato a obɛkyerɛw kwan abefa so abenya bi na yenim sɛ empire eguso ene dwumadi a wɔtɛkyerɛ aduro no mu bie ne wɔn ma wɔde ka wano a wonya nsɛnkyerɛne yɛyɛ sunsun fam deɛ ne yɛ honam fam so deɛ ka wɔn na mensun hyira wo Dr. Dushan ne ne yere kasa awurade nhyira mo paa okuada anwummerɛ biara free no nine usi free no mensa usi no nine your program is omodi na for video to and enye saada no kwa bia gitum se kuma wo mo programs ye kama pa account from am de to e di wurasi wa dwene ne kra me ho se go my all night wa ko count na wati ma fire bi empeja a day ene adwuma no wurade de fire be gu adwuma no na je be twa see Hoshia. Zechariah chapter 2 verse number 5 will say, Namia Radimeyo Jeffersu and Jerusalem Hoshia. I believe and I trust. Say Radidio Jeffersu, a big cap on Hoshia. On my own night back home. Then from Kajam. And pioneer the shop. Yes. Hey.
Edusa heba mixture any edusa heba capsules e ho dwa na nemi kodi bra wo mo se tem bia complain wo sisi any koko ne e pese eje otu dem enu ho dwa kese pa na nemi kodi ye no na woni eyema oba ne bem edusa heba mixture any edusa heba capsules eye koko any sisi yare adro kese pa
edusa heba mixture
any edusa heba
Edusa heba mixture any edusa heba capsules emma memme gina brane na eye meyi
hey ne dra wasesa ni nyina ba ogu ye
sida me ko me ni ya kwan do
wa dance ye aye adwuma kaka
a living testimony ona kwaje odi e
edusa pray obie timinum bi agisa penfo wona wo man koda no fo ene de onya mfie dumi mu
FDA ahwehwɛ saa adwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
the Lord the Radin Chama Munina the from the CS Donkor most of Pentecost Kuada enumre no me nsa kosi no na bia hwɛ me okuma o TV the radio asema nkwa ene amoden ene da so ni nkranhye wo ebebrew na iba ko hie ni so adutore bia kawurom na edi hye nkran ne sɛ without Christ, life is meaningless. Without Christ, life is meaningless. With God, all things are possible. Na yenam sonso ene wabo urade yankopon ma empire ma urade apie kwan this one will help you down to be a numerous ship to us all night the koswa hweme na urade be fire so do je ne kwanja bro urade shira
Dumedie enyumeku a asoyasen eye Edusa Herbal Center
Kumewood TV amansane yena yediemu
And I'm a surprise. Edusa Herbal mixture. Any Edusa Herbal capsules. And who done an enemy go di brew? Who say Tim be out complaining with CC? Any cocoa, a person to them. And no who drank a sepan and enemy go di.